Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And tonight I have got a 90% off clearance sale from Plato's. I have 2 bags this size. I spent $41. So I'm going to show everything to you real quick. Well, it won't be real quick because I got a lot. And I will let you know what I paid. First off, this is a European size large Pull and Bear shirt, and this was 90 cents, and it just says sticking to you. I'm made of candy, I think it says. Just a cute little graphic. Next up is Lucky Brand, a size small. A cute little blouse. It's got the tab sleeve. Did I say how much this was? This was $1.11. Next, this is a Lucy long sleeve shirt in navy. It has a little ruching on the sleeve. Really soft. This is, let me see, it's kind of curled up here. It's a size small, and this was $1.20. And this is by Don't Ask Why. I just got it. It's made in Italy. It's got the little choker neck, little sweater. $1.60. Very, very cute. I'll need my glasses for the side. This is by Kimchi Blue. Cute little dress. Extra small, $1.40. And Express, extra small, cute little dress, $1.20. This is by Wonderland by Orange. No idea, size small. Just a cute little top though. It's a neat material. And 50 cents. And the next one is Madewell extra small. This was 80 cents. It has a small little hole in it, but I just thought it was cute. And the hole is right above the A there in the middle. Cute little top. Next is by Free State, a size small. Fight for what you believe in. Cute little pair of Banana Republic shoes. They're velvet. Sorry, it's dark in here. Kind of a burgundy velvet. Back zip up. Really good condition. Next up, these are Man by Boohoo Man. These are size extra large. They were $1.20. They have a pinstripe. Navy. Next up, a pair of Just Black, size 31. And just a dark wash. $1.50. Alright, let's see here. This is by Lulu's. It's a size large. Cute little romper. Little tie sleeve detail. $1.40. This is by Rue Plus. It's a size 4X. Rue 21's got real cute plus size stuff. This was 60 cents. So I do pick this brand up. It's not one that a lot of people would pick up, but for plus size, they do have some nice basics. All right, this is by Harry Potter, and it is, I've never seen Harry Potter, never read it, never seen it, nothing. This is a Ravenclaw. This was 60 cents. It's an extra large. Briar Rose talked about this, I think, in her latest video, so I'm gonna tag her just to let her know I have that. Next up, this is by Derek Hart Plus, which is the reason I got it. It's a 1X, and it's just a cute little striped top. So I got that more for style. 70 cents. This is Support Your Local Girl Gang. This is Free State, size extra large. And she had also talked about her 60 cents, about the graphic tees from Plato's. They didn't have a lot left. I did stop by there when it was the 70% off, and I got some items then, but just stopped by today for the 90. This is Ava and Viv, a 1X new with tags. Cute little top. Oops. Kind of like a purple, and then it's got the crochet detail on the bottom of the sleeves. Really pretty top. That was $1. This is by Urban Outfitters. You see, this is a large. It was $1.80. It's a cute little bib. A little jumper dress there. And the back is kind of cute. Still in my first bag, so remember this was $41 total. This is by Day Trip. I don't usually get this brand. This is a large, so, and I just really liked the kind of the thermal look of it with the floral. So where the floral is, it is a little sheer. So this is Boohoo New with tags, size extra large. This was $1. They're pretty lightweight, little thin material. These would be cute, just with like a little bathing suit or something along the beach, cruise wear, summer. This is Wish List jeans. I looked these up. They were $1.20, and they are a camel, which it's hard to see. And then they've got the raw hem. These are size small. So, cute little jeans, skinny jeans. And then I have a pair of New Tag Wild Fable jeans. These were $1.20. I just thought these were cute with the kind of the sequin on the front. The back is plain. That's the first bag. I started the second bag. This is UT by Uniqlo Studio Sanderson. This is a size small. It's just a cute little floral top. And then I've got New Tags Old Navy pants. These are a size 18. Nice career wear. Stretchy waist, not a ton of stretch, and they do have a zipper and the button on the side. These were $1.40. Okay, this is by BB Dakota. It's a size small. It was $1.20. It's a cute little black and silver little dress. Very sparkly. This I got for style. This is by American Eagle Outfitters, and it's a size small. A little sweater, but it's like a tie-dye. A pink, very light. This was $1.40. So I just thought that was super cute, and it's real soft. Okay. This is Hummingbird, size medium, but very oversized. The thermal material, and then a very sheer little elastic end for the sleeve there. This was $1.20. Next up is by Lavender Field. This is a size medium. I just thought this was cute little boho top, and then it's got the tie front there, and then it has a nice little flare sleeve. Very cute, very soft. All right, next up is Altered State, size small. Another little, just cute little boho top. Nice sleeve. $1.40. And this is Cabby, a size small. It's a little cardigan. It's got the kind of the mixed material with the pocket. Gosh, it's dark in here, I'm so sorry. It's either dark or bright, one way or the other. This is by Tarte. I don't even remember oh yeah, I do. It's like a pajamas. This was $1, and I just thought this saying was cute. All I need is coffee and mascara. Very soft. It's obviously been, well, it's very soft. It's not super pilly, but you can tell it's been worn. Okay, next up, this is Bethany Moda. Maybe it's cold outside. Just with a little hat. I thought that was cute. That was 50 cents. This is by Venus. Just a cute little swing tank. Floral. Size small. And 50 cents. This is by Caution to the Wind. It's just a cute little black top, a little sheer, and some cute little sleeves there. This is Ex Officio medium. This is a nice soft plaid shirt. That was 80 cents. And this is Altered State, size small. Cute little kind of a tunic dress. I'm not sure where to get the best light there for the black, floral. Got a nice little sleeve there. All right, and I think that was, I have one more piece. This piece I went back for. I saw it when it was the 70% off, and I kind of regretted not getting it because I think for the current times and everything, that it's just gotta, it's just cute. So Pride. This is a size small, and this is a Soft and Sexy shirt by American Eagle, and it was 80 cents. So, and it just says, "My bae is gay." And I thought, how neat for American Eagle to have something like that, Pride, and it is their Soft and Sexy line. And it is super, super soft, and nice gray color with a rainbow print on it. Oh, my TV comes on by itself, so just ignore the background. It's kind of zombie-ish. So that is the last one. And I'm real excited to put this up. So I try to get these good, good sayings. So sorry again for the TV. I'm going to put my information in the description box below. I've got a few other videos to catch up on, and but I just wanted to show this stuff before I started listing it. So if you're interested in anything, let me know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, all that jazz if you'd like. And I'll be back. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.